the word run. To move quickly on foot, run fast, run a race, run after someone. And she can run fast and often wins school races. He trained hard to run a race next weekend. And a dog began to run after someone who passed by the gate, to manage or operate something, run a business, run a company, run a store. They run a business that sells handmade crafts. She was hired to run the company as the new CEO, and his family has run the store for over 20 years. To function or work for machines or systems, run smoothly, run on batteries, run automatically. The new software should run smoothly on your computer. The toy car runs on batteries and makes sounds. The system will run automatically after setup. To organize or conduct an event or activity, run a program, run a workshop, run a campaign. We plan to run a program for kids this summer. And then the trainer will run a workshop on communication skills. They are running a campaign to raise funds for the school, to compete for office or position, run for president, run in an election, run as a candidate. Then he decided to run for president of the student council. And many politicians run in an election every few years. And she will run as a candidate for the city council. To extend or continue in a particular direction or duration, run along the coast, run through the tunnel, run for hours. The road runs along the coast, offering great ocean views. The train runs through the tunnel under the city. Their conversation ran for hours without a break. To flow like a liquid, run dry, run with blood, run down your face. The river ran dry after a long drought. His arm was running with blood after the accident, and tears ran down her face as she listened.